Hop on top, I wanna ride. I do a giggle, run to the side. Spit in my mouth, look in my eyes. Pussy is wet, come take a dive. Tie me up. Right in the scared go ride. Make it cream, make me scream. I don't public, make the scene. I don't cook, I don't clean. But let me tell you, I got this ring.
It ain't nothing to cut that bitch off.
Demonetized.
Demonetize my videos. Now you're down, YouTube. Now you're down. This is that clock, the famous gas clock. It's the only time you'll see people running to go and stand by something that emits a lot of gas. And then they clap when it comes out. So we have cobblestone streets here. This stuff's like all over the place. In this car, it's pretty comfortable. You kind of feel like you're riding on a beluga whale. What side seat's activated? Feels like somebody has a rolling pin and they're going against my back, beating out the dough. But there ain't no dough there. I'm gonna give you, bitch. The dough is mine and mine for the keeping. I'm hiding it everywhere. Switzerland, Cayman Islands, wherever I can. Under my bed, you ain't getting none. Don't allow anybody to take your money. There are only two things that are a man's friend in life: his dog and his money. Remember that. Yeah, this is a good song. Nice place to, you know, come and unwind and drive a convertible. And when the weather's nice in Vancouver, this is like the perfect place for this. This is like Stanley Park. There's a nice marina right here on the right side. Traffic is calm. There's not that many people. There's a 30km/h speed limit, so that's like, I don't know, 10 miles an hour. So it's very, very slow. And you come and chill and enjoy yourself. All that's missing is a nice cigar. Especially because it's convertible. It's got some nice kick. It's good pickup on it. Nice burbles that come out of the exhaust, especially when you downshift. Hear that? Nice. And this has got a W12 engine, so picks up the numbers really nicely. The exhaust.
Yeah. Sweet. Nice.
Yeah. Athletic Yankee hippo.
Nice sweet boat.
Pretty much all the ladies out there. I mean, this is how we roll. This is the winning lifestyle that we're living right here. Enjoying the shit out of ourselves, having fun every day, making the most of it, being classic, celebrating daily. For all y'all, check out my Instagram.
That's
You
right.
know that's my motto. This looks like San Francisco. Takes you home to West Vancouver, North Vancouver. It goes right over the water. There's two cool lions, like one on either side. We might be able to see them. I see them, I'll point them out. This is the perfect place to drive this car. It's very nice and relaxed, comfortable.
Awesome, it was fast.
Yeah, it's fast. You feel the heft
Yeah.
at that point when it's picking up a lot of speed, but it's to be expected. I mean, it's a behemoth of a car, but it's very, very nice. It's very comfortable. Nice fun day, fun drive. We're heading back. It's kind of getting late. The sun's going down. Maybe go get something to eat or something. Smoke a nice cigar, and yeah, just chill and relax. Stay winning, guys. See you soon.
Everything lit. Bitch, I seen a girl from high school in traffic, blew her kiss.
No beef.
Hey Nick. What's up,
What's
man?
up? Now we're living. So we came down here to Yaletown. There was a place called El Guapo that has Mexican food. We wanted to try it. Don't know how good or not good it's gonna be. It was a long lineup, so we figured, hey, we don't wait for nobody. Winning success rules. So we figured we just get it. We use this amazing picnic bench that we have right here to eat it. Relax. Probably head somewhere else right after this and party.
Yeah. Picked up the Hoyo de Monterrey Serie La Hoyo. This is the La Hoyo Rio Seco that we reviewed a little while ago, a few days ago. Fantastic cigar, so I thought it was a nice way to kind of round off the evening. We had some tacos. Just finishing up the cigar now. I'm gonna go to a nice lounge. I think it's Champagne Lounge that's up here. I can't smoke in there, so that's a bummer. It's not the south of France. I'm getting my cigar fixed in right now before we go up there. Gonna meet some pretty girls, dance a little bit, have some fun. I'll see you guys soon, alright? Cheers, peace.